See that?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you very much. This is a guy that's they've been working on this bank, or something's happened on this three-phase bank here, and this guy's in the process of replacing and closing a fuse. We talked about this a little bit before. When you have this is a closed delta bank. When you have a closed delta bank of transformers, which transformer do you energize first? The lighting transformer in the middle, or the high leg transformers on the outside?
The lighting transformer.
Yeah, you want to pick up the lighting transformer first because that's carrying the bulk of the load for whatever that three-phase part is. Then you want to close the two outside switches and pick up the fourth leg right there. So watch what he's doing right here. First, do you see anything wrong when you're looking at the picture here right off the bat?
He's a little close, ain't he?
The guy with the stick?
Yeah.
It's I don't really care for them that much. They have a stick that you can actually put inside the bucket. That's a mini telescopic stick. It's either, they got them in two flavors, either 6 foot or 8 foot. I don't really care for them that much. You just extend the stick out right there while you've got it, but you only have 6 feet of clearance from the switch to the bucket. So yeah, this is and that's hard to tell the angle of how he's holding the switch stick right here. Those switch sticks I don't care for too much. I like to use a good 10-foot solid one-piece stick. Anything else?
The guy on the left is too close to those transformers.
Well, you remember, and you've seen this before on fuses that blow, once this fuse is closed, where does all the fire and expulsion go?
Back
Down.
Back down, right in this area. So let's see what happens with these guys. See what they do.
What do you think? Go on, ready? Try it again.
I'm ready.
Make sure everything's right.
All right, so what did Kilroy do here?
Paused or frozen or something.
I paused it.
What was the question?
What is Kilroy doing over here in the bucket? Where'd he go? Did he jump out?
He ducked down.
Yeah, it's called eating your knees. He's ducked down in the bucket. I don't see why. I mean, all you have to do is rotate your bucket away to get out from under it, or raise the bucket up to get away from it. But for some reason, he just wants to hang out here for a little bit. Even if that switch is closed and does blow, it's still going to go down on your back.
Check your rotation. Sign a blown arrestor. 1, 2.
The video's frozen.
I hear you. Hold on. Try it again. You see that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right, so he's down in the bucket. This guy is part of the video. He's closed the first transformer right here, the lighting transformer. That's closed. He's getting ready to proceed to the two outside high leg transformers. That was closed.
Here's the one that blew up on us last time. Holy.
It's only audio, Mr. Shoemaker. There's no actual video going on.
All right. So you can't see that picture at all, can you?
Mine's just a loading screen.
Okay. You know what I'm going to do here? All right. I just leave it on the picture. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Okay, so
Yeah.
he closed the last fuse right here, and you see the fire and explosion that's coming down, and it's headed right towards the guy. So this is not a safe procedure as far as closing a switch. I can tell by the looking at the video right here also, that is one of those telescopic ones because it's small at the top and gets larger at the bottom right here. So that is one of those telescopic sticks. It's kind of close. And other than that, those guys are still all wearing their rubber gloves and everything. But gentlemen, this is not the place to be when you're closing a fuse with a stick. Actually, you want to have the people down here on the ground moved out of the way also. All right. So I'm going to stop that share, hopefully. Okay. And I'm going to restart Zoom. So you guys hang out here for just a second, okay?
All right.